inspect his last joints here. Actually, let's inspect all of them. That one looks pretty good. That's probably the best one he's done. That one bubbled down a little bit, but she's sealed up. I had him cap it real good. Let's check our 3/4 here. Good enough for government work, huh? All right, this is the conclusion of the video. Just one last look at this masterpiece. I mean, it's sealed. It's sealed. I'll do a closing video on this. I got some other info for you. All right, guys. The brazing shit show's over with. First time though, so I'm not gonna badmouth it.